us.
Okay, if you were to be in the clothing industry, then you're in the right industry because it is one of the most profitable industry in Singapore. And as the Chinese saying goes, there's 衣食住行. There's clothing, there's food, and transportation and housing. If you were to be in this four industry, there's great demand for it. Okay, so if you were in the clothing industry, it's a profitable industry because any industry that involves women is a good industry. Like cosmetic, facial, all this for women is a good industry because women tend to be the consumers. Women tend to buy a lot. So for clothing, for instance, if you were to set up a clothing store and women were to come in, when they see a clothes for themselves, not only did they buy for themselves, they also buy for their brothers, ties for their brothers, belts for their brothers, and they not only buy for themselves, they buy for others as well. So if you were to be in the women's industry, then it's a good industry. So yeah, so this is just an introduction. Hope you like it. Thank you.